morning class. So we are discussing the chapter from wind chimes. The chapter is, as we know, we have already started that text. Now, what we come to know about that, this text is about three musketeers. Who are those? Athos, Porthos and Aramis. Let us write the name first. Athos, Porthos and Aramis. We come to know that these three musketeers one by one has encountered with whom? With D'Artagnan. He is also, this text is full of French warriors, and although it is mentioned that D'Artagnan, who is that? It's not mentioned. The text has started like that. He just dashed off with these three musketeers, and we discussed who are musketeers in French origin. These are all there, is it? So as we have started the text, we come to know that he means D'Artagnan here has some problem with them, though it is unknowingly, uncertain. Knowingly he didn't do anything. He just dashed up against someone, and on the way he dashed with these three musketeers. And as they are having the power, we know musketeers, kind of soldiers, so they have the authority to say that or to challenge someone to do some war. So as D'Artagnan has done something wrong with these three musketeers, so one by one they have challenged him. They do something which you should not do. Clear? Then we come to know that the significance of Porthos belt. Okay, significance of Porthos belt. What is that? Means a warrior belt should be what? It looks bold and all, but it is mixed up with what? It's leather and gold, and rest was simple leather. Only some portion little bit was gold, and others are simple leather. Now according to us, if a soldier is like that, he should be looks very bold and all, is it? But his situation something like that, very simple. So the thing is that gold with simple leather. Let us read the text afterwards. So Porthos turned red with anger. What happened? Sir, you do not know how to talk to musketeers. So he felt very angry by knowing that, because D'Artagnan don't know how to talk with the musketeers. He just have come here. Okay. I will teach you. Let us meet at 1 o'clock behind the Luxembourg Palace. See, mention the word means underlining. Luxembourg. The names are little bit different. As I say, these all belongs to the French origin. So Luxembourg Palace. I shall be there, said D'Artagnan. So first he said other two, Porthos, Aramis and all, but afterwards he said to Porthos also that I will be there as you have challenged me. And ran on in search of gentlemen from Meaux. The names, I am clearly saying the names little bit difficult to understand, so you have to keep it in mind. The names are little bit different to remember. All are French origin. Clear? So they said that Luxembourg Palace they'll meet, and he said that he just searching that gentleman. But he was nowhere in sight. First only it has started that D'Artagnan is in hurry. He was searching someone. Who is that? A gentleman from Meaux. He is actually like that. D'Artagnan gave him a gracious bow, but Aramis ignored him. See, D'Artagnan was searching from someone, but as he didn't get that one, so on the way he has seen Aramis, then other musketeers. As I said first, these three musketeers belong to that. So these three musketeers, these two already he mentioned, he met, but the third one he didn't actually. So on the way he just bowed them, means giving a respect towards that musketeers. He did that one, but he just ignored, as he don't know who is that. He just ignored. Now D'Artagnan realized that he was an intruder. Intruder means what? Underline that one. Someone who is in place which they don't want. Means arrogance, little bit arrogance, and did not know how to withdraw himself from the group. He don't know what to do, so he just ignored him and went from there. Suddenly he saw that Aramis had dropped his handkerchief and that he had quickly put his foot on it as though he was trying to hide it. So on that way, when he just greeted Aramis, he has found that one handkerchief has fallen down and he just want to hide it with his foot. Clear? And this is another part of that quality you can see. How musketeers can behave like that. So he did, and D'Artagnan immediately bent down and picked up the handkerchief from under the musketeer's foot. And handling it, Aramis, he said, "I believe, sir, this handkerchief belongs to you." Now see, all the things little bit scattered. Aramis on the way did ignore actually D'Artagnan. He didn't respond at him. But afterwards, what happened? He just see that Aramis has something with him. Maybe the handkerchief looks very gracious, and that handkerchief fell down suddenly, and he want to just hide it with his foot. He did like that. It was clear to everyone that this richly embroidered handkerchief could belong only to a woman, because musketeers or warrior cannot have this kind of handkerchief. It is very simple. So it must be belong to a woman. Aramis blushed deeply and snatched the handkerchief from D'Artagnan. Means it's related with maybe its beloved, because this kind of handkerchief generally warrior or musketeers are not using. Just like that only. Said one of the guards with a twinkle in his eye. We all know this handkerchief belongs to Madame de Bois Tracy. The name we come to know. See, as I said, these all names belong to the French origin. So, little bit difficult to remember. So, what you want to do is that all the names from the beginning, text, whichever names, it can be a place name, it can be the musketeers' names you get, you just list down one by one. Okay. And write down the designation of each person and learn the names. Clear? He is only pretending to have a lover's quarrel with her. Don't have particularly a lover, but he is just pretending, because as a musketeer he don't have this kind of, but he is having. So he is just pretending that he is a lover of someone. Clear? And they bid farewell to Aramis amidst loud laughter. All are just laughing at him. It can be that how can a musketeers have this kind of things like beloved or lover and all. Aramis turned angrily to D'Artagnan. He get enraged, very angry with D'Artagnan. "Sir, you have no manners. Only a fool would pull out a handkerchief from under a man's foot." Means he is telling that you are just extraordinary. Means you don't know where to behave how. You don't know any manners at all. You have no right to insult me. Means for a musketeer it's a kind of insult. I was only trying to be helpful. You should not have let it fall. He's just helping. He's just helping the other one. D'Artagnan didn't have any kind of other intention to hurt him. Okay, he just want to help Aramis, and he did that. It is clear to me that I shall have to teach you some manners. So Aramis wants to teach you the manners. Let us meet outside Monsieur de Travellier's headquarters at 2 o'clock, and from there we'll proceed to a quiet and lonely palace. So they want to do some work. Okay, again see, first Athos challenged, second Porthos challenged, third one Aramis also challenged to the same person D'Artagnan without his knowledge. Okay, I shall be there. Generally he is giving the same answer to him. I shall be there. The two men bowed to one another and parted. D'Artagnan found himself in a difficult situation. Now he is finding himself in a difficult situation. He was going to have a fight, 3 duels in a matter of 3 hours. 3 hours he is going to fight with 3 persons. It is very difficult for him. I don't think I can escape this time. He said that as I said it before, now I cannot escape from here. But if they kill me, at least I shall be killed by a musketeer. He found some comfort in this thought. So he said, doesn't matter, as I have said, I cannot return back my words. So whatever challenge I got, I should accept it. If I could have died by then, it is very good that from the hand of musketeer I will be killed. Okay, so he found some comfort in this thought. That much. What is your opinion of the three musketeers at this point? This question. Opinion of the three musketeers. Opinion of the three musketeers. Three musketeers. You will prepare. So first one, the significance of Porthos bell. Second one, opinion of the three musketeers. These two questions you will prepare, and as I said, the list down all the names related with that and with their designation you will write. Okay. This much today class. Next class we will discuss about the next part of the text. The text is large enough. It will take more 3-4 days to finish up. Okay. Till this, thank you class.
You take science.